edit something in edit your image in WordPress, what you do is you go to media, okay, in left hand side, and then you go to library, okay, then you choose your image. For example, if I choose the egg right now because Easter is coming, I can click edit, and I can just click edit, and then I can just play with the tools given. So if I want my egg to move to right hand side instead of left, I can click this one. I can go to back if I want, go forward, it's undo or go forward. Then if I want to be upside down, I can click this one, or back to normal. If I want to rotate it clockwise, I can press this button. If I want to rotate it anti-clockwise, I can press this button. And if I want to crop it or make the picture smaller, I can just press this button and then make it smaller or whatever I want, and then I can just save it. But I want it as large as it is, so I'll just leave it like that. And then at the end, you just save it, crop it, and save it. And then you can just give the title here, the caption here, alternative text here. So in case the image doesn't appear um, on your website, this text the people can see, or your clients can see this text. You can add the description here, and you can do more things with it. You can delete it permanently if you want, out of the media or library that you have uploaded, so you can delete it permanently. So you can just play around with it, and I'll just close it from top.